Ahee, namukela nakambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course ni tlhela khela hi Shongi Rangani loyi hi nga ta hi kha hi n'wi linka of course na GNU kahle kahle in overall se va ra Peres Rangani hi tlhela hi n'wi linka of course na BK and then amakumu of course hi hetela hi timhaka ta manager Philani hi ta tlhela hi hetela hi Benny Mayengani the president nongo ra kahle tanihi sweswi mi swi tivaka of course i common knowledge of course ku Shongi Rangani a fika a yi challenge GNU a ku a nga yi chavi Limpopo Poison of course i lava head on ma yi vona na mhaka leyiwa so mi nga mi xoni of course ku severa Peres Rangani hoyi le ka iTunes leyi hi vona of course ka ti-songs yi fika yi humelela yi fika yi khoma position number 14 video already yi koho kwala ka channel. However, I won't Shongi Rangani, of course, project now if I delayed on Apple Music or iTunes because I rang a home on YouTube, of course, it is 7 that's September. So if it delayed on iTunes or Apple Music, of course, in Gavia home. It is 10th September, of course. I mean somewhere around there, mention around 10 and stuff like that. So I've been monitoring here. Look at iTunes, of course. Of course, rather 12th September, as you can see. So already 2 days and can monitor look at iTunes. So Shongi Rangani, I've been checking, guys. I got proof because I've been checking. As you can see, the top albums here, as you can see. Because I'm still check. I've been checking. I've been checking. So as you can see. So I'm going to go also with GNU yung namulin. Yung Ryan GNU halaga ta iTunes maybe the matter say album may nga delay you never know because never several person nga ta album saying ayo may halaga songs layer of course nga fa come a top position of course ya number 14 so several person of course I fika yo magata iTunes side ra halaga the songs so Shongi Rangani yung ko nga appear rank as you can see so since akuru competition so show yini a swi consider ni vona ku afika a swi consider lomu aboyini so sure bona va la ka ta iTunes afika va streaming loko se yi huma ka side ra vo as you can see at least yi kota ku pusheka so hi sweswi GNU la nga yi challenge ka ta iTunes yung bin so of course ta ya ka ti platform letin'wana na va nyika a chance to stream wanyana that you compete later on ta va compete on YouTube na le ka Spotify and then ta hetela hi the ground le of course yi nga subjective ni nga vula twana in overall mara ta va compete nakona ku hi ku vona ka mina swi vonisaka swona so far it's 1-0 GNU i 1-0 manje swi ba Shongi Rangani 1-0 ma kona mhaka leyi so ndzi nga vula kutani ku hayi changa kahle ku yi hala ka ti-iTunes loko yo humelela hala mi nga ndlela a screen recording but I doubt ku ya ta huma hala I doubt guys vanhu already se va streameterini swinene hala ka YouTube and then of course hi tlhe hi n'wi linka na BK khale na yisuke ni khale loko hi landzeriseni nyimpi ya kona ko ni vona ku ti-poster ti va thati nga hela na hi mi ni cheka ni ku endleka hi rin'wana so of course after ku project ya Shongi Rangani of course yi humile fika tsala this poster ni ti ku nyimpi ya ku yi sukela kwini mina nga fatsela ku so mo tshika sikoni va dyiwa album hinkwayo ni ku mina ku dyiweni guys mi nga nyiko perspective ku dyiweni Shongi Rangani na then a tlhela ku kombisa ku himpela a ba Shongi Rangani fika a tlhatsela ku thayi xo tshikiwa hi nuna xiku xi zama muqambi xi dyiwa album hinkwayo as you can see kwalamo loko swi tliya ku mhaka hayi yaleyo na ya nga twi BK i tshembe swi ku ta tlhela kombela ku rivaleriwa ni then fika tlhatsela ku a hi ehlekeni album then a tlhatsela this post of course a ku ni la ku humesa risimu ni ku somangayi as you can see kwani vanhu loko va kha va vula ve ri Shongi Rangani na mangaya a ni tivi mi ta mi confirm n'wina mi swi tivaka as we can see kwalano so of course indirectly of course a challenge ya risimu lera ra Somlomo la ku bifiwa ku eGimabele okay then hi vuya a fatsela ku thayi xo trenda siku rin'we loko hi fika hi pfulela ndzeni hi fika hi swivona ku himpela i ba Shongi Rangani a fatsela ku a va ku va ta pfala Limpopo Poison as you can see kwalaho so na n'wina mi ta mi kha mi tsala mi vona ku yini mi tsala ku yini project yi nga na ntikelo between severa Peres Rangani na Shongi Rangani for now mara on iTunes it's 1-0 hi leswo so Philani win on Facebook last statement swa ha ri complicated ka mina ku ri news suka ka Facebook a ku ri yini. The reason I'm saying this is because I've seen him a lot on TikTok. I comment on various videos there. So TikTok was suggesting videos from Manager Plan. Because we are friends on TikTok. So if you are friends with someone else, if they comment on certain videos on TikTok, TikTok will suggest those videos to you because they expect you to like those videos too because you are friends on TikTok. Mike man. So man kan to won kan ni wona ngoyen kan go. Kunta ka ni ngonya kasi kai comment kwala. The videos pa hambana abantu hlanga guys. Mina no arrange. So ikomisa ku yibuye manje plan on Facebook. La mina still no kan ngabona ku purpose va yi tshikini loko ri impela a ya ha ri ka social media. Like I don't understand. So yi endlela video none of course.
Hello everyone, hello Gaza, my friends and followers. I'm here to officially announce it to you Nabuya ka Facebook. After a long time, ningar kona 2 months since I left in July. So Nabuya Siswani aka Facebook full time. Meranza ku cancer titswalta Xikwembu. Nranzo khensa rhandzu ra Xikwembu, and I thank God. Nranzo khensa na vanhu lava nga ntiva sendela message from different areas a Gaza, Kian and Malamlele, Dzanini and Phalaborwa, in other areas lava va kumeka va ri kona lava ntivaka kambe va ntiva social media. So sweswiwani ni ta va ni ri kona ka social media. People were saying that messages akumisa you wurile vele ku Facebook will never be the same without you. Philani buya, Philani this, Philani that. So na announce ni ta va ni ri kona ka Facebook from namuntlha. It's the 12th of September. The one we are on Facebook. So kahle send buhila ka Facebook. Thank you guys for your love. I love you so much and God bless you. Philani me.
So kuna ngora kahle swinene of course about Benny Mayengani the president the ritisaku lana ka his account as you can see kwalano. So if I scroll of course if I kuma kuphuza ni famba as you can see kwalano see na 1 million views ya komba kwalano 1 meter place kwalano swifana the views eku hala ni pfule hi YouTube Music hiku ni vona yi va yi kha yi komba kahle as you can see kwalano. So nga vula tani ku congratulations to Benny Mayengani the president ku va risimu ra wena of course ri fikise 1 million. And swi komna ku na difference and ku na un'wana a ni hlamusela ku master 10 na ku hala a swi liningi straight because loko hi ya hala ka YouTube hala hi fika hi kuma ku yi na 883,000 views mara hala ka ti-plays hala ka YouTube Music hi fika hi kuma ku yi na 1 million 1 million plays. Mara yi fikisini 1 million hi yaleyo 1 million nge yi kaneti malambaneni ya tingani 1.5 plays ho hi vo ka YouTube. Then ka YouTube na 1.4 swo ku na slight difference ma swona ku na slight difference swo ku hala maybe yo va delayed hi 100,000 views somewhere around 100 and something thousand views ma swona re malambana yi na 1.4 mara hala ka YouTube Music yi na 1.5 swo ku hala ya delay hala ka YouTube. So hi swona yi fikisini 1 million views nga vula tani ku congratulations to Benny Mayengani and then namthondolo vani xi le ku phusheni almost 1 million views as you can see xi na 869,000 plays. That's crazy leswo loko na mi ngeza subscribe anda kombela mi tika subscribe.
What's up, Gonna wanna get and get you what the fuck. Mala bin the benadane. Mala yini banchola mayini banchola mayini la mataze. Mala yini banchola yini banchola mayini la mataze.
Yeah.